The San Martin 39mm SN0144 JianZhan Gada watch is an elegant blend of Chinese artistry and modern watchmaking. Designed with inspiration from traditional JianZhan porcelain, this automatic mechanical timepiece showcases craftsmanship and precision engineering. Powered by the Miyota 9015 movement, the watch operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour, ensuring smooth performance. With 24 joules and a 42-hour power reserve, it offers both automatic and manual winding functions, a stop-second device, and quick date setting for optimal convenience. The case is crafted from 316L stainless steel, available in 36mm, 39mm, and 42mm diameters. Featuring a brushed stainless steel bezel and sapphire glass with AR coating, the watch ensures durability and clarity. The gradient enamel dial, available in multiple colors, adds a striking visual appeal, while the Luminous BGW X1 blue light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. A screw-down crown with a 3D hexagon logo ensures water resistance up to 100 meters. The screw-down case back is engraved with a Chinese stamp, paying homage to the rich heritage of JianZhan pottery. The bracelet is made of solid stainless steel with a brushed finish, complemented by a polished and chamfered design. Additionally, a premium FKM rubber strap provides an alternative for enhanced comfort. The watch is secured with a newly designed fly-adjustable clasp featuring the San Martin hexagon logo. With a weight ranging from 72g to 146.5g, depending on the strap choice, this timepiece balances elegance and durability. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the San Martin SN0144 is a sophisticated choice for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and timeless design.